we'll guide you through how to make a light ray Photopea. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, right-click the Google Chrome shortcut on your computer. Click Open to launch the browser and wait until it finishes loading. Next, click on the address bar, type Photopea, and press Enter on your keyboard to search. From the search results, select the top option, 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘. After the website opens, you will see the Photopea homepage. Click Open from Computer to access your photo. Browse to the location where you saved the image you prepared, click on the photo, and open it. Once the editing page finishes loading, press Ctrl+0 to fit the canvas neatly to your screen for a better workspace. Now, add a gradient fill adjustment layer. Change the gradient style to angle so the effect spreads in the desired direction. Adjust the gradient position by entering the specified X and Y values. Next, open the gradient color box to edit the gradient settings. Change the gradient type from normal to noise to create a more natural lighting effect. Then, change the blending mode to screen so the light blends smoothly with the image. Add a hue/saturation adjustment layer above the gradient. Enable the colorize option, then adjust the hue value until the light displays the color you want. Right-click the hue/saturation layer and select Clipping Mask so it only affects the gradient beneath it. Select both adjustment layers together, then press Ctrl+G to place them into a single group. Add a vector mask to the new layer group. Choose the gradient tool and set its colors to range from light gray to dark gray. Apply the gradient across the canvas to control where the light rays appear. This gradient on the mask will gently hide or reveal parts of the effect, making the light rays appear more realistic and smoothly blended into your image. After completing these steps, save or export your edits. You have successfully learned how to create a light ray effect in Photopea.